Okay, we are going to log into our account. Then we enter our username and password. Then click login. Here we have two subjects, physics, chemistry. I am going with physics, and I am selecting lightning as a chapter. Lightning is caused by the building up of electrostatic energy in the clouds. One region within the cloud build up a positive charge and other a negative charge. The bottom of the cloud usually ends up being negatively charged and top positively charged. If the buildup of charges became great enough, the negative charges may leap to the positive side of another cloud. This is called sheet lightning, or it may leap into the ground. Okay, then we go to our first exercise, stimulation. Here we have two stimulations. I am going with the first one.
Lightning. Click on the next button to proceed. The following are the objectives for the simulation. You can either click on the play button to move on to the simulation, or click on the instruction button on the bottom left corner to read the instructions.
Okay, let me start our exercise.
Set the charge of the cloud and click on the play button.
Then click on the play
Try
button
the same with the tower also.
Try with the tower also. Okay, we are going to charge the charges of the upper cloud with the positive charge and the lower part with the negative charge. Okay, the ground charge is automatically assigned with the positive. Then we click on the play button. Then we change the charges upper cloud charge to negative and the lower cloud to positive. And then the ground charge is negative. There is no lightning occurs. So only when the upper cloud is positive and the lower cloud is negative, the lightning is occurring. Then we try with the tower also. Lightning towers. Our hot button is activated. Then we are going to click on the hot button. This is how the lightning forms. The upper cloud is getting positive charge. The negative cloud is going with the negative charge. A steep ladder ionizes the air, forming a narrow conductivity path. A bright return of stroke being to carry the charge which is being deposited on the path downward, and there is a flow of electricity to the ground. A dart leader reionizes the conductive path. After several strokes, the negative charge is drained out from the cloud. Okay, now going to again click on the hot button. The volcanic light. A thunderstorm, also called volcanic light, is a weather phenomenon that is related to the production of lightning in volcanic plume. See upcoming pages, no information. Okay. All the particles and clouds are wall started out of neural. During the collision, some type of particles became charged and related to some other type. Difference in aerodynamics of the particles separates the positive from the negative. When the difference in the charge is too great, electrons flow.
Friends, it's time to summarize.
Lightning is sudden.
Go through the summary and make sure that what you have learned stays in your memory.
Charge region of the cloud between the cloud and another cloud, or between the cloud and the ground. The third storm is a weather phenomenon that is related to the production of lightning in volcanic plume. Okay, then after that we have a quiz. A sudden violent movement of electrons. Okay, I am keeping lightning. It's the correct answer. Very tiny negatively charged particles. Electron. Oh, it's also correct. What is lightning? Sudden violent movement of electrons. That's the wrong answer. It is the correct answer is all of above. Why lightning is important? It keeps electric field is balanced, produce ozone gas. It helps to clean our air. All of the above. So correct answer. What is formed when the upward stream and stepped leader meet? lightning channel. It's also correct. It's a wrong answer. Correct answer is thunder and lightning channels. I got 50, 30 out of 50. Then we go back to the main menu. The video is not available and the game is also not available. Okay, we have the second simulation.
Lightning safety. Click. The following are the objectives for the simulation. You can either click on the play button to move on to the simulation or click on the instruction. Drag and drop the kid to the safest place from the lightning.
In the left or right side of the window. Okay, and dragging the kid into the hose. You have chosen the safest option. It is dangerous to stand outside during the thunder and storm. Prefer an enclosed shelter than open space. Protect the kid from the lightning by dragging left. Let's choose the safest option. Tallest objects are more likely to get lightning strike. Always get a shelter with a minimal height. Protect the kid from the lightning by dragging. I am dragging the kid into the car. It is also safe because it is a closed vehicle is more safe than the open vehicle. Again, I am dragging the kid into the car. It is more safe than the closed vehicle. More safe than the closed vehicle than the open space. I am dragging the kid away from the electricity. It is safe. Then I am dragging the kid into the house. It is more safe in the small houses than small house. I am put the kid in the house. The hot button is activated. 6 lightning safety tips that could save our life. Go indoor. The single most important step you can take in thunderstorm is getting everyone in your unit inside the safe shelter. There is no space outside in the thunderstorm. A tent does not count down as a safe shelter. Find a vehicle. Your next best bet is a safe building is nearby. Easy to get an enclosed or metal topped vehicle. Get to a tower elevation if you are near a shelter. Get off the elevated areas such as hills, mountains, ridges or peaks. Stay away from the isolated or old tree or bodies of water or objects that conduct electricity if you are near a shelter. Assist victim people struck by lightning. Do not carry a electrically charged and near immediate medical attention. Call emergency number and be in CPR or use the AED immediately if it needed. Train yourself, prepare for lightning, other weather-related dangers. Okay, that's a video how to
According to the National Weather Service, lightning strikes somewhere on the surface of the Earth 100 million times each day. Each strike of lightning contains about 1 billion volts of electricity. That's enough energy to light a 100-watt bulb for 3 months. With all that power, it's amazing many researchers call lightning the most underrated of all weather hazards. Lightning is the second leading cause of storm.
Friends, it's time to summarize. Go through the summary and make sure that what you have learned stays in your memory.
Okay, the summary is a house or building of low height are safe from lightning. If you are traveling in a bus or car, you are safe inside, provided the doors and windows are closed. If you are in the forest, taking shelter under shorter trees than the taller trees is good idea during the thunderstorm. Okay, again the cues. First sign of developing a thunderstorm usually towering of tremors, clouds. That's the correct answer. If you hear thunder, stop any organized outside or you are waiting going outside, you are striking distance of light or above. So that's okay. Computer and other electronic equipment can be protected during thunderstorm. Or unplugging all equipment. If you are caught outdoor during the lightning storm, what should you do? None of above. Correct. If a group of people is caught outside the lightning zone, they should do spread out. Okay, we're going back to main menu.